Plant compost is an OMRI listed 100% plant-based material, and it is super unique. There's nothing else like it on the market, and one of the reasons is because it's 100% plant-based, so there's no animal products in it whatsoever. And secondly, it's how the two inputs we use are made, how they're generated. The shiitake input that we use comes from an organic shiitake mushroom farmer, and they do everything to produce a clean, consistent growing environment for the shiitake mycelium. So it's a fungally dominated, basically what looks like a loaf of bread, and that is hardwood sawdust and wheat grain that's mixed together before being steam sterilized and then inoculated with the shiitake mycelium. The fruiting bodies grow up, it's harvested, and then it's sent through a hammer mill where it gets to be a homogeneous, smaller particle size. And it's windrowed to be pre-composted, and that's all before we get it, and it's mixed with mint compost. The other input is the mint material, and we use that to mix with the shiitake. So the nice thing about the mint is it's really high in nitrogen. It's, harvested in a green state before it gets processed. So mixing that with the shiitake is the nitrogen that we need to make the composting process happen. And just like the shiitake, this is processed in a very consistent way, and one of the key steps in that processing is a steam sterilization. So it's steamed at 210 degrees for 90 minutes, and when it comes out, there's no pathogens, E. coli, salmonella, fecal coliform. It's very clean and ready to start into a process that we want it to be. So after the steam sterilization process, what's left over in the mint trucks is a byproduct to the mint farmer. But for us, that's the foliage and the nitrogen that we need to make our compost work. So after that process is done, it comes straight out to ground up soil where we mix it with our shiitake mushroom compost and make our plant compost. There goes a sight,